Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a subtitle to your Flutter macOS application, as well as how to display toolbar items at the very start. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have just created a Flutter macOS application, Flutter application. So I haven't changed any Dart code, it is as it is, and this is our output. So here you can see I'm able to display one subtitle, and I have created two toolbar items at the very start. And if I click on them, here you can see in the console I'm printing out some logs. I haven't run it via the Flutter run command because I wanted to show you guys the log. For some reason these logs were not getting displayed inside the terminal. That's why I have run my application through Xcode. So let's get started at the code. So you will just have to open the XE workspace of your macOS application in Xcode. So I have already opened it. First thing which you will have to do is go to your project, and here you will have to click on this macOS and make sure you are at least using level.0 as the version. Then go to main Flutter window, Swift file, and here all I have done is that firstly we are getting hold of our toolbar and creating this particular method called create toolbar. Also I have created this ns toolbar delegate, and this is how we assign a subtitle. So change the string to whatever you feel like. Then we are overriding this particular method. So here you can see I am using this back toolbar item, but name it whatever you feel like. And here I am assigning some tooltip, the target, as well as an action. So whenever the item is clicked, we get hold of it. Here I have assigned one image, but if you want you can get some text or a label as well, it's up to you. And to use the item, to display the items, toolbar items at the very start, you will have to use this is navigational equal to true. So this will display toolbar items at the start. Similarly I have created another toolbar item as well, and again we have to override these two methods as well. And here we have to use the same identifier which we have used at the very top. So these two identifiers which we have to use. And here you can see I have assigned this click listener to our toolbar items as well. So yeah, which we used it over here as well as over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.